Hello, children! Today it's our English day. Are you ready to start with our English lesson? Smo pripravljeni na angleščino? Let's first sing. Najprej zapojmo našo vodno pesmico. Put it on YouTube and sing. Klikni na YouTube, pripravi pesmico in zapoj. How are you today? I am happy and a little bit sleepy. Are you hungry? Are you happy? Are you scared? Tell me all about you. Povej mi, kako se ti danes počutiš. Let's repeat. I am Martina. I'm 28. I'm from Iljerska Bistrica. I'm a girl. Tell me what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? And are you a boy or a girl? Tell me all about yourself. Sedaj se pa ti predstavi. Last time we listened and watched the story about Goldilocks and the three little bears. Now let's repeat. Ponovimo. Tell me, what is this? What is this? Is it a girl? No. Is it a pencil? No. What is this? It's a house. What is this? Do you remember? It's a forest. What is this? Look at the picture and tell me. This is hair. Okay, what color is this hair? It's pink? No. It's brown? No. It's black. Very good. What are these? These are eyes. Good. Eyes. Now tell me, what color are your eyes? Mine are brown. What about yours? Kakšne barve so pa tvoje oči? Kar povej. What is this? This is a bear. Yes, a bear. What color is this bear? Is it orange? No, it's brown. Excellent. What is this? It's a bowl. Good. A bowl. And what color is this bowl? It's white, blue, and green. What is this? This is a desk. No. This is a window. No. This is a chair. Good. What color is this chair? It's brown. And what is this? This is a bed. Excellent. Great job. Now, here we've got three beds. Three beds. The first one is big. The second one is small. And the third one is tiny. Yes, do you remember from the story? Big, small, and tiny. Today, children, we are going to listen another story. It's called We are going on a bear hunt. Danes, učenci, bomo prisluhnili prečudoviti zgodbici, ki ima naslov We are going on a bear hunt. Look, this is a bear, and they are going on a bear hunt. Gremo na lov na medveda, ima naslov tale zgodbica. Poišči povezavo do zgodbice v mailu oziroma asistentu in ji prisluhni. Listen the story. Do you like the story? Ti je bila zgodbica všeč? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. I hope that you like the story. Now let's repeat. Let's repeat all about the story. Zdaj pa malo ponovimo zgodbi. Do you know what this is? What is this? Yes, this is a long wavy grass. Repeat after me. Ponovi za menoj. A long wavy grass. What color is this grass? Yes, it's green. Now, can we go over it? No, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can go through it. Ne moremo iti čez, ne moremo iti pod, lahko pa gremo po travi, skozi travo. Excellent. What is this? Deep cold river. Repeat. A deep cold river. Globoka mrzla reka. What color is this river? Excellent, it's blue. Now, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can go through it. Yes, we can. What is this? A thick, oozy mud. Repeat. A thick, oozy mud. Gosto lepljivo blato. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can go through it. Ne moremo iti čez to blato, ne moremo iti pod to blato, lahko pa gremo skozi to blato, hodimo po njem, tako kot tale deček. You know what this is, don't you? Yes, this is a big dark forest. Repeat, a big dark forest. Velik temen gost. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can go through it. What is this? This is a swirling, whirling snowstorm. Repeat. Ponovi, pazi, da se ti ne bo zapletel jezik. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. Vrtinčasta snežna nevihta. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. But we can go through it. Ne moremo iti čez, ne moremo iti pod, lahko pa gremo skozi. And what is this? This is a narrow, gloomy cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. Oska, mračna jama. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. But we can go through it. Great job. Now listen the story once again. Še enkrat si predvajaj posnetek. Verjamem, da ti je zgodbica všeč in da to ne bo nobena težava. Let's repeat some new words in the story. Ponovimo nove besede. Repeat after me. A home. Dom. A home. A river. Reka. A river. Grass. Trava. A grass. Forest, gozd. Forest. A snowstorm, snežena nevihta, snežna nevihta. A snowstorm. A cave, jama. A cave. A bear, medved. A bear. Mud, blato. Mud. Dog, pes. Dog. A boy, fant. A boy. A girl, punca. A girl. And the last one, family, družina. Family. Now, let's make a map. Zdaj bomo pa izdelali nekaj zelo zanimivega. Izdelal boš zemljevid poti, ki jo družina naredi v zgodbi. Torej, kaj vse mora prečkati, da pride do medveda. Lahko narediš podoben zemljevid, ki je tukaj na sliki, lahko ga narediš po svoje, lahko uporabiš naravne materiale, greš tudi ven poiskat travo, kamenčke, vejice, kot želiš. Torej, you have to make a map. Pazi, da boš sledil zaporedju, kot je v zgodbi. So first it's a grass, then a river, a mud, a forest, a snowstorm, and the last one it's a cave. Okay, here you've got another example. Tukaj imaš še podoben primer. Sicer ni v obliki zemljevida, ampak v obliki plakata, mogoče za pomoč, kakšno je zaporedje v zgodbi. Prvošolci naredite samo zemljevid, drugošolke in tretješolca, vidva pa zraven tudi zapišeta, tako kot recimo tukaj piše grass, river, mud, forest, snowstorm, cave and a bear. Torej z besedami od spodaj zapišete, kje se kaj nahaja na zemljevidu. Tretješolca, vi pa imate še dodatno nalogo, učni list. Vstaviti morata pravilne besede big, under, bear, over, grass and grass, two time grass. Za pomoč so vam sličice. Spodaj pa morate pod sličico zapisati ustrezno besedo. Vadite tudi branje, mislim, da ne bo težav. And another thing for you today is a cartoon. Zdaj pa si boš za konec ogledal še risanko, ki je nastala po tej čudoviti pravljici. Risanko imaš pripeto zraven, jo moraš naložiti na računalnik in si jo ogledaš. Sigurna sem, da ti bo všeč. And the last part, še zadnja stvar, draw. Take your English notebook and draw the most interesting thing about the story. Nariši, kaj ti je bilo v tej zgodbi najbolj všeč, kateri del, lahko tudi iz pravljice, lahko tudi skušaš ugotoviti, ali sta pravljica in zgodba popolnoma enaki. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Oh, a bear took me. And now I go home. Goodbye.